Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with yet another exciting update for you all. But before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet, and also do not forget to click on the bell icon to get notified instantly. Yes, so dear freshers, we are pleased to inform you that Atos Syntel is hiring 2021 batch freshers, and we are here to give you the information about the same. So before proceeding to the details of the Atos Intel recruitment, we will quickly try to give you some insight about Profound EduTech. So Profound EduTech, we are basically a top IT training and placement company. We provide various job-oriented courses in full stack Java, .NET, testing, Python, data science, etc. And along with quality trainings, we are well known for strong placement support. And we provide 100% guaranteed placement support to the trained students from Profound EduTech. We start new batches in both online as well as offline mode every week. To get more details about our courses, please call on these given numbers. This is the partial list of the clients which recruit freshers from us. Atos, Amdocs, Capgemini, Zensar, Syntel, Deloitte, ADP, Tech Mahindra. They all have been recruiting our freshers, and apart from these big names, we have several other MNCs as well as domestic companies. Just to discuss some recent placement highlights in this calendar year alone, since January 2021, we have placed more than 400 students in various IT companies, and these are some major recruitments. Tech Mahindra have recruited 40 plus students from Profound EduTech as Java developer and full stack developers recently. More than 100 students also got placed in Bitwise. Amdocs, we have placed 20 plus students who are trained from Profound EduTech. Deloitte also have recruited our 40 plus students as analysts with package of 4 lakhs. Nest Engineering, which is again a leading IT MNC, they have recruited 25 plus students from Profound EduTech with package of 3 lakhs and many more. Yes, so let us now discuss about Atos Syntel recruitment. So this is a brief introduction about Atos Syntel. Atos Syntel, as you all know, it doesn't need any special introduction. They are global leader in digital transformation with more than 1 lakh employees across the globe, and their annual revenue being more than 11 billion euro. They are European number one in cybersecurity, cloud and high performance computing. This group provides tailored end-to-end solutions for all industries in 71 countries. They operate under the brands of Atos and Atos Syntel. So to get more information about them, please visit their website atosyntel.net. Yes, so as announced, as mentioned earlier, Atos Syntel are hiring freshers, 2021 batch freshers, and these are the details of eligibility and criteria. So the candidates are expected to be from 2021 batch who have completed a full-time degree or completing a full-time degree. The eligible qualifications are BE or BTech in computer science and IT and MCA. The aggregate should be 60% throughout in 10th, 12th, and UG and PG all semesters. Uh, as far as backlogs are concerned, no current backlogs or live backlogs are allowed, and there should be maximum of 1 year of gap from 10th standard to your latest qualification. These are the prerequisites. The candidates are expected to have good written and verbal English skills, and they should also be flexible to work in any shift, morning, afternoon, or evening. Job locations. The job locations are Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, or Tirunelveli. And here at Syntel, they reserve the rights of allocating the job location to the selected candidates. And yes, the campus drive is going to be virtual in online mode completely. So to apply for this drive, you are requested to visit this URL bit.ly/atossyntel21. We repeat, please visit bit.ly/atossyntel21 to get more details about this drive and to apply for it. Also note that this URL is case sensitive, so ensure that when you enter the URL in the address bar of your browser, you enter it correctly. Yes, so dear students, thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you are liking our videos and you are finding them useful. Please be in touch with us on all the social platforms. You may find us on Facebook. Please like our Facebook page, which already has more than 50,000 plus likes, and we keep posting our regular updates on Facebook. Also, as announced, mentioned earlier, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet. You may also find us on Telegram in the form of Telegram channel. As far as website is concerned, it's www.profoundedutech.com. And yes, also follow us on Instagram, and given here is the Instagram handle, and we keep posting all our updates regularly on Instagram as well. So thank you so much once again for watching this video. Hope to see you soon. Till then, please take care and keep safe. Thank you.